this? This cat has been at the top of our garage all night. What's up, buddy? Good morning. How'd you get in there? Guess we got a new addition to the hacker house. Oh, close your legs.
I know, right?
Who's that?
It's Tony, the Lyft driver. He's the homie. He's subscribed.
Hello, Tony.
I just realized the Uber driver's name was Paul. I was calling him Tony literally the whole trip. I feel bad. Sorry, Paul.
Alright, I've got to get an iced coffee. That means we're going to Starbucks. Ugh, such a white girl thing to say. Thank God for iced coffee. This was just what I needed.
So there's a lot of great live streaming applications out there, such as YouTube Live and Ustream. But the user who's live streaming their life or events is missing one critical thing. The selfie harness. You know, the selfie harness sounds kind of like some weird contraption. We were thinking about naming it the SAM, S-A-M, self-automated machine, selfie-aimed mechanism, selfie automated module, I don't know, something like this. If you guys have any ideas, please let us know below in the comments. So why the selfie harness? So first think about it at a viewer's perspective. You could be on stage with Justin Bieber as Justin Bieber.
All the times that you in my play.
You could be an astronaut in the International Space Station.
Sorry, could you repeat the question, please? We didn't hear it.
You could be skydiving with somebody. You could be in the huddle of your favorite team as the coach on the field. Hell, you could tie it to your cat and see where your cat goes around all day. The possibilities are endless. Now, the beauty of live streaming is that it's real. It's now, it's in the moment, it's honest. You can't hide anything. For example, when we were in Vegas, Nick and Sam started doing Periscope. They developed a lot of followers, and one of those followers was Marina. She liked Nick and Sam's scopes, and she ended up coming to visit us when we were living in Las Vegas. Lo and behold, they hit it off and we got a kid on the way. What I'm saying is that live streaming is a great way to bring legitimate content to the world and the world of social media. And the SAM, automated system modulated, will be an easier, practical way to do that. So I want to let you guys know, during that star time-lapse thing, when the bright light goes by, which is the International Space Station, you can find it and see the International Space Station through an application that you can download called ISS Finder. Download it, it's super sick. It tells you when the ISS is flying over your city. It's really cool. It's an amazing, beautiful thing to see and show others as well. So check it out, super fun. I'll play the clip again now. And enjoy.